What is light? Light is a form of energy due to which we can see our surroundings. Light is invisible itself but makes things visible on which it falls. Visible light is a form of electromagnetic wave. Human eye is a sense organ which gives us the sensation of light. Properties of light. 1. Light consists of 7 colors and these colors are called spectrum of light. These are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. 2. Light does not require material medium for its propagation. 3. Speed of light in free space is 3 times 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. 4. Light exhibits both wave and particle nature called dual nature of light. Note that the particle of light is called photon. 5. Light travels in a straight line in the same medium. Ray of light. A straight line path along which light travels is called ray of light. It represents the direction of propagation of light energy. Beam of light. Number of rays combined together form a beam of light. Pencil of light. When rays of light are very close to each other in a beam, then it is called a pencil of light. Source of light. An object from which light is given out is called source of light. Luminous source. A source which possesses light of its own is called luminous source. For example, bulb, sun, candle, etc. Non-luminous source. A source which does not possess light of its own is called non-luminous source of light, for example moon.